Alright, kids, today's Friday of our what we call our safety week. Okay, we've been spending a lot of time this week on safety. I know you're excited and anxious to get out into the shop. We'll be going out into the shop shortly. But I figured before we go, we should review that. Safety stuff, it's important. Okay? The first day we talked about personal protective equipment. Matt, Kennedy,
Yeah.
what about you? What would be an example of personal protective equipment?
I don't know.
Alex, you able to help Matt out? Safety footwear, Chris. Hard hats, good.
Hey! Watching! Hey! Mind your own business!
We also talked about earlier in the week about good housekeeping.
Yeah, for sure.
Clean shop is a safe shop.
What are you doing? Working? In my locker. It was already set there.
Number 5 is something I can't teach. Hopefully number 5 is something that you came to class with or something that you can work on yourselves. It's called common sense.
Matt, you can't smoke in here. Whatever, man.